Now, the SQL Server delete statement is used to remove one or more rows from the table. It's a powerful command that can permanently erase data. So you need to be careful whenever you use it, delete. So it should be used with caution, especially when you're working on production databases. Now, let's say we want to delete a specific employee. So I'm gonna probably we can delete. Who can we delete? And let's say we want to delete this one, Derek Shepard, because it doesn't have a manager. So so we can actually delete him. Now to do that, we can say delete from employees where first name is Derek and last name is Shepard. Then we will actually select from employees. Now, if we execute this, then we can actually see that we no longer have a Derek, but he's there. Yeah. Or was it two or something? Okay, so we can even say where this one has the ID 7, as the employee ID 7. So we can specify using um, the employee ID where employee ID is 7, and then we can go ahead and execute. Now we don't have Derek anymore. I don't see him. I think he's gone. All right, so so these statements find the employees with the specific ID and remove his record from the employees table. Let's say we want to kill a department, then we can just say delete from employees where department is HR. Say we don't want to have HR anymore. Or so we can say where department is HR. So it's gonna delete everyone in the department. So where department is HR. So we've got Miranda, and then we've got Alice, and then who else is this? Only the two of them. So if we go and delete that, okay, now because there is a reference, so it didn't actually go through, because remember we've got that foreign key there. So it didn't really go through, but otherwise you can actually be able to delete per department. As a result, we still have Alice and Miranda. So it didn't go through because there is that relationship. So the relationship actually is coming from who? I'm not sure where the relationship, but there is a relationship there that's coming all from there. Let's say now if we want to delete everything, you just say delete from employees. That's going to delete all the record. So you need to be take precautions, backup before you delete something. Always make sure that you have a backup, you've backed up your data before running a delete operation, especially if you're working on an important production databases, and then you can use transactions as well. So consider wrapping up your delete operations in transactions. So this will just allow you to roll back an operation if it doesn't go as planned, or if it affects more rows than intended. Um, Now, the delete statement is like using an eraser, on a piece of paper. So if you've got a list of tasks written down, you completely no longer need the specific task, and then you'll just use the eraser, which is the delete statement to remove it.